Happy Chinese New Year, everyone! Welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, I'm Filipina. I'm also married to a local Chinese. So today we are celebrating Chinese New Year here in Malaysia. In this video, it's not about how everyone else celebrate their Chinese New Year. It's just for us, the family, on how we celebrate. 3 days bago mag-Chinese New Year, finally, ay na-receive ko na ang aming order from Shein. Kaka-receive ko lang kagabi. So now, we gonna unpacking with this one. Check natin at saka kailangan din nating labhan para masuot natin sa aming Chinese New Year dinner. Yes, baby, come on. Hindi ako bumili ng dress ko kasi may nabili ako from Philippines na hindi ko pa nagamit. So, kahapon din, unpack ng aming mga luggage. And this one, naka-paper bag pa siya. Let's see. This address lang naman from For Me brand. Meron pang price tag. 1,798. So, this is small nung binili ko. But, during that time, na andun ako sa Pinas, may size, yung size ko is, in between of small and medium. So, iniisip ko, meron pa naman akong time to, magpaliit konti para kakasya siya sa Chinese New Year. So, I don't know, hindi ko pa siya na-try ulit kung kakasya ba siya. But, anyway, let's see na lang. So, this is the dress. I like white. And, another one, nauna ko pang in-unbox tong galing sa Pinas. Kasi actually hindi ko pa talaga siya na totally na check nung pagkabili ko kasi parang binili namin like kinabukasan is flight na namin. And another one kay Crystal. Hello baby, why are you crying? Are you sad? From House of Little Bunny. I think at first, hindi ako aware na brand pala to ni Kim Chiu. Why are you so sad? Why are you so sad? Because Mommy just do the unboxing. Ala! Oh my God! Oh no! Kaya pala she's so sad kasi she make mess. Wait lang, wait. Yan kasi, you're so makulit. Don't play this again, okay? I told you earlier, don't play this one because it will make mess. And then now, you go in the room, you watch TV with Tite, okay? Okay? Alright? It's okay. Kiss na kay Mommy. Kiss Mommy. You're so sad. It's okay, it's okay. Mommy not gonna scold you. Wipe your hands there. Go in the room and kiss Mommy first. Wanna kiss Mommy first? Okay. Alright. Oh no. Alright, are you okay now? Okay, sit here. Sit with Mommy. We do unboxing, okay? Thank you. Continue tayo with the bag na nagustuhan ni Crystal. Kasi nung sumama kami sa kapatid ko, bumili ng damit para sa costume niya. Or hindi costume. So suotin niya para sa parang beach party. So pumunta kami ng boutique and we saw this one. Actually, I didn't see this. Si Crystal, and then she look around. Usually hindi yan siya nanghihingi kung ano yung bibilhin niya. Ako yung kusang bumibili ng mga damit or yung mga basta susuotin, mga sapatos. Ako yung bumibili tapos pinapakita ko lang sa kanya. But this time, she was like, "Mom, can I buy something?" Tapos medyo nahihiya pa siya kung ano yung bibilhin niya. And then sabi niya, sabi ko, "Yes, you can buy." And then tinanong ko siya, alin doon? Then sabi niya, the bag. Ito daw. So, I think the price is 1,500 peso. Parang. And then, later on, saka ko lang na-realize kasi parang dumaan sa newsfeed ko yung parang negosyo ni Kim Chiu na House of Little Bunny. Basta naalala ko merong Little Bunny. I'm not so sure ha. Write me if I'm wrong in the comment section below. Basta ito yung check ko na lang mamaya din kung House of Little Bunny ba yung kay Kim Chiu. So anyways, this is her bag and this is so cutie and I'm so happy kasi she's not like that na nanghihingi ng something kikay na gamit. So yeah. So now let's open our Shein. You're so sad. Okay, Chichi will... Oh, here. I bought Chantal's slipper. Kasi...
Wow, my slipper.
Yeah, this is your slipper. Can you try your slipper?
Yeah.
Sure.
This is my shoe.
Yeah. So comfy. The design is like this one. Para mas...
Mine.
Oh, yes. You like it?
Yeah.
Para kasi mas madali. Kasi pag nasa car kami, inaano niya. She always took off her shoes and then suot ulit and then take off ulit.
Shoe. I love shoe.
Okay. Alright. That's your new shoes or slipper. You want to say thank you to mommy?
Thank you, mommy.
Oh, so sweet. Okay. Alright, you can show to Chiche. Wow. Okay, so next naman ay ang damit ni Crystal. This one. You're so happy now? Binili kong size sa kanya is 11 years old. Though, pa siya, 10 years old. Pero yung size kasi ni Crystal, malaki. So, pag bumibili ako ng damit sa kanya, one size larger. Bibili pala sana ako ng damit ni Chantal. Pero, wala akong napili sa online. And then, pumunta na lang kami ng mall. Doon ako bumili. So, that was yesterday or the other day. So, meron ang susuotin si Chantal natin. Next one naman is ito. Gusto ko yung mga ganitong type ngayon. Yan. So, I hope she will like this. Pero nung chinek out ko siya, pinakita ko naman sa kanya and she agree na okay, let's buy. Then, yeah, that's it. Yun lang pala yung nabili ko. Hello people! Welcome back to my YouTube channel and Happy Chinese New Year everyone! Lalo na sa mga nagsiselebrate ng Chinese New Year. So, yeah, I'm done preparing myself kasi today is the first day of Chinese New Year and we have to go to visit the relatives ng mga bata. So, the angpao is ready para mamimigay tayo mamaya ng ampaw sa mga bata. And at the same time, si Crystal at Chantal ay mangungulekta naman for sure ng ampaw. So, by the way, yung ampaw is yung red packet or yung sobre na pula. And then, merong laman na pera. Tapos, ipapamigay natin sa mga kids. Yung kahit sa sa adult na hindi pa kasal. So the kids are ready and Chichi's outfit with her bag from Philippines and Chantal. Chantal, you show your outfit. Go. Yeah. Chantal's outfit. So, yeah, we're ready. And, by the way, dadaan muna kami sa simbahan para mag-church. 1 hour lang naman. And then, we're heading to, our relatives, our Chinese relatives. And of course, the ampao is ready. Mamimigay tayo mamaya sa mga kids lang, ha? Okay. So, this is my outfit from For Me in Philippines. Buti na lang nagka-shell siya. The size is small. So, yeah. Mukha tayong suman. But it's okay para ma-motivate ako na magpapayat pa para magka-shell na talaga siya. Alright. Let's go! Happy Chinese New Year! We collected this ampao in the church. We are in the church right now. Look at Chantal. Chantal is so relaxing with her ampao. Hello, Happy Chinese New Year! Si Chantal, nag-dede lang dito, pa-relax, pero may mga natatanggap na siyang mga angpaw. Hello, Happy New Year! Show me your ampao, Chantal. You have a lot of ampao? Huh? You do one? Oh, these are the ampaws that they got from the church and from the aunties and the uncles. So
That's mine.
yeah, that's all their ampao. Show me your ampao, be. Wow, got a lot of ampao. So ayan, si Chantal pala buti na lang nagdala ako ng isa pang damit niya kasi alam ko na pag bata kasi malikot. So, ayan. Nadumihan kanina yung una niyang damit. And, actually, nag-prepare naman ako ng isa pang damit. So, okay lang. And now, mag-picture muna kami for the thumbnail ng aming video. Nandito kami ngayon sa playground ng aming tinerhan. So, yeah. See, the kids are so happy. They're having fun. Hello? So, magbo-vlog muna tayo just to finish this video. Okay, let me. Chantal. Okay, you call Chiche. Look at this. Habang naglalaro ang mga bata, ayan, nasa harap ko lang naman sila. Yan, so we came back here in Malaysia a few weeks, 2 weeks ata, bago mag Chinese New Year. So, tapos na ang Chinese New Year kahapon. Kasi yung Chinese New Year actually, they are celebrating Chinese New Year for 15 days. Write me if I'm wrong. Nakalimutan ko. Basta parang ganun kahaba yung Chinese celebration nila. So anyway, I only have 1 week and a half actually to prepare for the Chinese New Year. I was aware na mag-Chinese New Year na, pero hindi ko lang siya masyadong iniisip. So, I don't have much preparation for the Chinese New Year. And usually, kahit naman pag andito lang kami sa Malaysia, hindi kami masyadong parang normal lang. Hindi kagaya sa Pilipinas pag New Year. Like, what happened last New Year and Christmas na parang pinaghandaan, iba yung preparation ko pag Chinese New Year kasi parang sa akin lang, alam nyo yung feeling kasi siguro hindi ako inborn na magse-celebrate ng Chinese New Year. So I just like nag-sink in lang siya. Ay! You will fall down. Hold on. Nag-sink in lang siya sa akin na oo nga pala, mag-Chinese New Year na nung in-invite ako ng aking sister-in-law for the Chinese New Year dinner with the family. So, yeah, yun na nga. Dito tayo kasi maganda yung lighting. So, ayun na nga. We had our dinner. Simple dinner lang. And hindi ako I was really trying to try ko sana na mag-vlog kami while kasama sila na nag-dinner. Kaya lang, nahihiya talaga ako mag-vlog pag may mga tao. Tapos hindi pa ako confident na mag-vlog na kasama sila. So I just took some photos with the family. Throughout the dinner, nahihiya ako mag-video kasi hindi naman sila nag-video. Basta hindi lang ako comfortable na mag-vlog ba. Though dala ko naman tong aking camera. Kasi nga I was planning talaga na gusto kong i-share kung paano kami mag-celebrate ng Chinese New Year dito sa Malaysia para maiba naman, no? Para maipakita ko kung paano nga ba mag-celebrate yung mga Chinese dito sa Malaysia. But anyway, yeah, I'm so sorry. Maybe next time I will be able to share yung ganap, but I don't want to promise. It depends na lang kung medyo makapala yung mukha ko na mag-vlog during Chinese New Year. So yeah, I will end our video here. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, see you in my next vlog.